Think your bench press is strong? You might be doing it completely wrong. Yeah, even if you're lifting heavy. This is where most people fail, right from the setup. Elbows too wide? That's shoulder damage waiting to happen. Bouncing the bar off your chest isn't strength, it's cheating. Feet unstable? Then your power is already gone. If your body is loose, your strength leaks everywhere. So what's the right way to do it? Fix this one thing, and you'll feel stronger instantly. Your body is like a building, without a strong base, it collapses. Start by planting your feet firmly on the ground. Now pull your shoulders back and down. Imagine squeezing a pencil between your shoulder blades. Lift your chest slightly, create a strong base. Grip the bar just wider than your shoulders. Lower the bar slowly, control every inch. Keep your elbows at a 45-degree angle. Bring the bar close to your chest, not your neck. Now press up with control, not just force. Push through your feet, your legs create power. Your whole body should feel tight, like a loaded spring. Don't press straight, use a slight curved path. Slow down the descent, that's where real growth happens. Strong lifters look stable, not shaky. See the difference? Control beats ego lifting every time. Here's the truth, form matters more than weight. When everything is aligned, the weight feels lighter. This is what a perfect rep looks like. Now it's your turn, try 10 perfect reps. Train smart. Stay consistent. And keep getting stronger.